Number 1.
1994 Toyota pickup, price $8,500, showing 276,000 miles on the odometer. It features a gasoline engine, red exterior, and gray interior. This particular truck is equipped with a desirable 5-speed manual gearbox, paired with a clean title and a history of only 2 owners. It comes with a newly installed engine, brand new tires, and a recent oil change, ensuring it is ready for reliable use. The exterior has also been refreshed with a $2,000 paint job, and the body is reported to be completely rust-free. What truly sets this truck apart is its extended cab configuration with rear jump seats, along with the increasingly hard-to-find 5-speed manual transmission. Additional features include ice-cold air conditioning, a Bluetooth-enabled Pioneer radio, a durable bedliner, weatherproof floor mats, and a new dash cover. A Carfax report is included, documenting a comprehensive service history over the lifetime of the vehicle, further supporting its well-maintained condition.
Number 2.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $8,000, with just 98,000 miles on the odometer, featuring a manual transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It comes in a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, offering a classic and practical look. The truck has received significant recent maintenance and upgrades, including a new battery, new tires, a new radiator, and new spark plugs and wires. The front braking system has been refreshed with new brake pads and rotors, while the suspension and steering components have also been improved with new wheel bearings, ball joints, control arms, and sway bar end links. Additionally, it is equipped with a roll-up bed cover for added utility. The air conditioning system turns on but will need a recharge to function at full performance. The vehicle also comes with its original window sticker and paperwork, adding to its authenticity and value.
Number 3.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $4,200, classic short bed pickup originally from California, presented in solid condition and ready for use. This vehicle has accumulated 194,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine with 8 spark plugs, the truck delivers dependable performance. Both the engine and transmission are reported to be in excellent condition, with no leaks present. The air conditioning system works perfectly, providing both cold and hot air as needed. The vehicle comes with a clean blue Texas title, adding to its appeal.
Overall, this Ford Ranger stands out as a well-maintained classic pickup, suitable for buyers seeking reliability and simplicity. Number 4.
1997 Toyota T100, price $4,900, equipped with a durable 6-cylinder gasoline engine and a manual transmission, delivering a balanced combination of power and control for both daily use and work needs. This particular example has 172,000 miles on the odometer and features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior, giving it a classic and practical look. The truck runs very well, with all essential functions operating as they should, reflecting proper upkeep over time. It is fitted with good condition tires, making it ready to be driven without immediate additional costs. The paint remains in good overall condition, while the interior is notably clean and well maintained, providing a comfortable cabin for its age. Overall, this T100 is a solid, work-ready pickup that has been kept in good shape and is ready for its next owner, complete with a clean title in hand.
Number 5.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has been driven approximately 209,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, finished in a burgundy exterior paired with a tan interior. This truck has been modified with a 5.7 drop suspension and sits on 22-inch Texas Edition replica wheels wrapped in relatively new tires. Powered by a Vortec 350 engine, it delivers solid performance for a daily driver and produces a satisfying sound. The exterior is enhanced with a billet grille, tinted windows, and LED lighting throughout. Inside, it is equipped with a Pioneer radio featuring a folding screen with Apple CarPlay, along with an amplifier and subwoofers for an upgraded audio experience. As a daily driver, the truck is not in perfect condition and does have some cosmetic imperfections, including paint issues and a worn headliner.
Number 6.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. Dependable 2WD pickup that has traveled 204,000 miles and continues to run well. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and easy driving experience. The truck features a blue exterior, although the clear coat is beginning to peel in some areas, reflecting its age and regular use. From a mechanical standpoint, the truck is in good condition and operates reliably. making it a solid choice for daily driving, light hauling, or work-related tasks. It also comes with a clean title and a current inspection, providing added confidence for the next owner. Overall, this Silverado stands as a durable and budget-friendly option, especially for those seeking a straightforward, hard-working pickup with proven longevity.
Number 7.
2000 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,900. It is powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, and has accumulated 145,000 miles. The truck features a silver exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a distinctive look. This vehicle runs and drives great, with both the air conditioning and heating system functioning properly. It has recently received several updates, including new tires, a new battery, and a new alternator, ensuring dependable everyday use. The truck comes with a clean title. While it is not in excellent condition, it remains in very good shape for its age, with only minor imperfections such as a small cut in the seat and the need for new windshield wipers.
Number 8.
1998 Nissan Frontier, price $3,850, practical and reliable pickup, well suited for daily work and transportation needs. It has accumulated 230,000 miles and is equipped with a standard 5-speed manual transmission paired with a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder gasoline engine. The truck features a red exterior and a gray interior, offering a simple yet functional look. This vehicle comes with air conditioning, good quality tires, and is reported to start and run very well. It holds a clean title and has passed emissions requirements, making it ready for continued use. Known for its fuel efficiency and durability, this Nissan Frontier is considered a solid and economical option, especially for work-related purposes.
Number 9.
1964 Ford F100, price $8,795, features a manual transmission and a rebuilt 6-cylinder gasoline engine, paired with its original Wimbledon white and Caribbean turquoise patina paint. The truck has no structural or sheet metal rust and retains a clean, classic look. It has received key mechanical updates, including new pumps, belts, hoses, carburetor, aluminum radiator, and recent brakes, shocks, and tires.
The interior, finished in matching turquoise, includes a reupholstered seat.
With around 2,000 miles on the rebuilt engine, it runs and drives like a true vintage truck. It comes with a clean blue title, all original moldings, trim, badging, a new OEM headliner, and several boxes of OEM parts.
Number 10.
1997 Dodge Dakota, price $2,400, well-maintained pickup with 138,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. It features a green exterior and a gray interior. The truck has received extensive updates, including replacement of all major sensors, new spark plugs, coils, and distributor, as well as a new fuel pump. The transmission has been fully rebuilt and has approximately 5,000 miles since completion, and it also comes with a remanufactured PCM. Originally from Tennessee, it has been upgraded with a MagnaFlow high-flow catalytic converter, Borla Stinger muffler, custom exhaust piping, and a new O2 sensor, making it sound great while remaining street legal. It also features aftermarket light housings throughout, including the bed light, and comes with the original plastic bedliner and tailgate.